Good evening, Rupert. This is the guy from Masterfly Billboards. So we had the chance to speak on the phone earlier. So real quick, I just want to shoot this video over to you today. On this video, I'm just going to be keeping things very sweet, straight to the point. I'm trying to try to keep it really short for you. I just want to be going over a few things and showing you how to basically, specifically, make more money online, right? And get more, notices or more impressions or more, engagement to your business, right? I'm going to show you how to basically beat out, D&L Cleaning Services, and I'm also going to show you how to beat out the back page of Cleaning World Incorporated, because these guys are basically showing up at the top here when we type in Cleaning Services Newark, New Jersey. Now, it's Cleaning Services Newark, New Jersey. This is a keyword that gets a couple searches per month, so I'm going to show you how you can capture a percentage of that traffic and literally beat out this competition here, and some things that you can work on to improve your online your online existence, basically. So, like I said, these guys are showing here up here at the top. These guys here are also showing here up at the top, right? This is the 6th position, but this is a real business, right? These other businesses are just basically directories Google recognizes as real business. So obviously a lot of traffic comes from being here in these top positions here, right? So I'm just going to show you how to basically capture percentage of that traffic. First thing I want to go over is basically, I want to give you an audit on your website and just basically tell you, definitely I love the design of the website. I love the color scheme and the layout. You have some pictures here. Humans are visual creatures. We love to see the images and directly speaking to your customers. I did notice you have a video here, which is awesome. Have some more pictures here. You're telling people what you do. That's what Google wants to see. This is a very good title here, The Invisible War, which is really nice. Get some more pictures, right? Some of your work, right? Which is really good. People love to see that. And also, so I just want to give you basically, what Google really wants to see is they wants to see a lot of content, right? And they wants to see buyer intent keywords, and this is how they're gonna basically, relate those the buyer intent keywords to your business and help you get found online. So basically, Google wants to see about 1,500 words of content up on your front page, and if we put you guys into this word counter here, we see that you guys have 426 words, right? So to be an authority, you want to be at least 1,500 words, and this is purely competition based, so I'm going to get into that a little later. So another way that you're going to gauge your content is that what these images are saved as. See how it's saved as some numbers here. It shouldn't be saved as that. It should be saved as something like Newark Cleaning Service, right? Something like that. Something really simple. You could put New Jersey at this is a keyword, right? So this is called the alt text. Google reads that. Also, what these videos are saved as. So from a design perspective, you guys are definitely on the right track. I love what I'm seeing here, which is really nice. You just want to basically work on that content, because like if you put these guys here, right, Cleaning World Incorporated into this word counter. Let's just say we copied the page, right, and we put them into this word counter, and let's see what we come up with, right? So as you can see, these guys here, and actually let me refresh this. These guys, yes, it has 795 words of content on the front page. So this can be one reason why they're beating you, but to actually be considered authority, you want to be at least 1,500 words of content on your front page. So, what I would do is that I just go ahead and write a whole bunch of content, and I will use keywords such as Cleaning Services Newark, New Jersey as an H1 tag, which is something that you'll put up here, and Google really start to associate that keyword with your business, right? So that would be my first tip for you today, is to basically improve or increase on your content. The second tip would be backlinks. So this is a software I use called Ahrefs. It gives me the complete backlink of a company's website. It shows me basically it gauges all of the traffic you guys are getting, the keywords you guys are using, or Google is finding you for, or ranking you for, how much power you have to the site, right? So this DR rating here that you see here, this is the domain rating, this is the URL rating. This is how Google pretty much gauges a company's website and know where to put you in a search and know how to rank you, right? So as you can see here, these numbers are pretty low, but this is pretty low, but this is okay. This is typically what you see sometimes with websites that's probably not, optimizing them correctly. So it's fine. I'm going to show you how you basically can improve this and capture percentage of that traffic. Because if we put Cleaning World Incorporated, right, these guys into the system, you see that these guys are getting at least 5 searches to the website, right, which is nothing. But if you take a look, right, if you take a look at, let's just show you real quickly some keywords, right? So you take a look, you find some keywords here, right? Let's just find one real quickly. Newark Cleaning Services, right? So this one keyword alone, as you can see, there's a bunch of them here. We just have to find the best ones for your business. Cleaning Service Newark, New Jersey, right? Just click on these two to give you a comparison. So this gets 30 searches, gets this 30 searches. So totally we see at least right now for the ones we pulled up, at least 60 searches, right? So that's 60 searches. This is what we mean by volume, right? This is how much, estimate of that, how much times that keyword is getting searched in Google, right? This is the software I use called Ahrefs. It gives me all of this information. So keyword difficulty gives us basically an estimation of how hard it is, or how hard it will be to rank in the top 10 search results, right? The search for that one keyword on a scale from 0 to 100. So as you can see, some of these are NA, which means that it is no difficulty at all. Just got to do it properly. Some of them too, it ranges from 100, right? So obviously there's really not much competition, but you have to do it properly here. So once you start to do that, you'll start to capture a percentage of that traffic. You can even run ads for that. So these guys are pretty much showing up at the top, Cleaning Service Newark, New Jersey, and they're capturing a lot of that traffic. There's many ways to tell that these businesses are very active. They're getting a lot of that traffic. Because you click on this list and you see that they have very new reviews and such, those things like that. So obviously it benefits a lot to be in this top position. So what you want to go ahead and do is that you want to optimize that website. You want to build the content, and you also want to focus on backlinks. So backlinks is this power, right? The thing about this software is that you see how these guys, if we pull up their actual site, you see that this page that we're on right now, this is just a back page, right? This is just a location page of this actual company within the city. This is not actually the website. They're just capturing a percentage of that traffic, and this is just the estimation. And they're not even ranking. I can show you actually. Let me pull this up. They're not even ranking for the keyword they were looking for. I showed you purely Cleaning Services Newark, New Jersey. This one keyword they're ranking for, I believe, is Maid Service Newark, New Jersey. So this just gives you Maid Service Newark, New Jersey, right? They're getting like one Cleaning Service Newark, New Jersey, right? So they ranking for these keywords, right? But they're only in the 9th position, 7th position, 10th position. The objective is to get above these guys and rank higher than that, right? And which brings the most traffic is going to be this map back section here. And I'm going to show you how you can rank there. But if we definitely do an audit on this site, we see that these guys are capturing a big percentage of the traffic in the market. Why? Because they have multiple cities, multiple services that they're offering, and Google is now associating all of these organic keywords with their website. Now they, as you can see, there's about 2,200 searches to the website. Why? Because they have all of this keywords on their pages, right? So this is how much traffic these guys are getting. So basically what you want to do is that you want these guys have 15,000 backlinks and 752 referring domains. Basically you want to beat them in quality and quantity. The thing about this software is that you're able to come in and see what backlinks these guys are actually using, and you can use it to rank your website. The good thing about that is that if these backlinks are good enough to rank their website, they're definitely going to be good enough to rank yours. You just want to beat them in quantity and quality, and you want to have backlinks that's relevant to your industry. You don't want to waste your time on backlinks such as this, right? See, it has a low DR, right? Low UR. This one right here is pretty good, so you will go ahead and get this one. You want to get ones that's relevant to your industry. So another cleaning company, anything like home improvement will definitely benefit you. So that's how you're going to get the power to your site. Lastly, you want to focus on this map section, right? So this map section, this equates for a lot of traffic. Trust me, a lot of people are getting, this is a money printing machine here, right? What you want to do is that you get us get enlisted in here. You want to be fully verified. That's number one. And you want to optimize the description at 700 characters. You want to be adding photos. You want to do this properly, right? You want to focus on reviews. As you can see, these guys, very active business. Last review was 6 days ago. So I'm trying to show you how to basically intercept that traffic. The way that you're going to intercept this traffic here in this section is that you're going to focus on citations, right? So content, backlink, citations. That's our last tip for today. And basically, citations are other websites or web directories that allows you to list your NAP, right? Your name, address, and phone number on their platform. And this basically, Google will associate these different assets and these different properties with your business, and it's basically like a popularity contest where the more you have, the better. So that's how you're going to start ranking these SERPs here. So that's all the tips I have for you today. If you have any questions or concerns, you can definitely reach out to me. Thank you.